Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you are new. Today's vlog is going to be some tidying up, some cleaning, and also baking and cooking, so I hope you enjoy.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too?
So here I am putting the little liners in for the muffins. I had gotten the mini muffins last time, so I had thought that I had got them this time. I did not read on the package that it clearly did not say mini muffins, and so I had made 2 batches to make them the regular size muffins, and obviously I didn't get the mini muffins, so I had way too much batter for just 12, so I ended up having to get my bigger pan out to fill up more muffins.
But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. I'm still trying to decide if I like it. Nick is saying that it's going to be difficult to do, so I'm trying to decide if I just want to go ahead and do it or if I want to try to pick something else out.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off.
So this is the next day. We decided that we would do a waffle bar and movie night. So I am making waffles, and the kids just wanted strawberries and blueberries with whipped cream and syrup for their waffle bar, so that is all we had. Nick did pick up some brownies and apple fritters as well.
Says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with Like I'm better off with you.
So I am using the waffle maker that my husband's mom got him a few Christmases ago. It is Captain America. And the first couple of ones didn't turn out that great. The very last ones were the best ones. And here I am cleaning up in between making waffles. I do like to make sure that I clean up as I'm going, just so at the end of it, when it's all said and done, I don't have a ton of stuff to do. And also, I enjoy my food better and enjoy eating with the family without having to worry about a huge mess to clean up afterwards. So this is it. This is our little waffle bar with our blueberries and strawberries.
Strangers again. When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls.
And of course they have to have some whipped cream in their mouth.
Told me I'd try to change it all, but look at us now. Could have gone so far. It hurt hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again.
So here Story's fixing to say it's too loud, or it's super loud, because Nick was trying to make it seem like they were in a theater, so he had it turned up, but he did end up turning it down because they were saying it was super loud.
I thought we'd never fall, could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. To realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to, I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same, like strangers again.
So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family and to come along with us on this journey. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.